Physical property of alkanes. Alkanes are not very reactive and have a little biological activity. All alkanes are colorless and odorless. Now start physical property. The alkane can exist as a gas, liquid or solid at room temperature. The unbranched alkane, methane, ethane and propane. So generally alkanes has a low melting point and boiling points. So this is due to the weak intermolecular force of attraction like van der Waals forces. We are already know about van der Waals forces, which can be overcome by a small amount of heat energy. As the alkane molecules become larger, increase in the number of our carbon atom in the molecule, the intermolecular force of attraction becomes stronger. More heat energy is needed to overcome the intermolecular force of attraction to separate the molecules, and the melting and boiling points increase. The alkanes, simple alkane is methane CH4, a colorless, odorless gas that is the major component of natural gas. Other simple alkanes are used as a fuels and solvents. So these are the physical property of alkane. Now we will see some reaction. This is the aromatization reaction. This is normal heptane. Number of carbons are 7 carbons. So this is the normal heptane. React with aluminum trioxide Al2O3 or Cr2O3. Temperature is applied 773 degree Kelvin temperature and give the toluene. So normal heptane alkane are converted into toluene or aromatization. This is the second process of aromatization, normal heptane to toluene. Like this is Al2O3 in the presence of platinum. 600 degree temperature is applied or 10 atmospheric pressure. Normal heptane converted into toluene. Now this is the normal hexane. Hexane means number of carbons are 6, Cr2O3, Al2O3. This is the converted into benzene. This alkane converted into aromatic ring. Now the second process is halogenation. Halogenation has divided in 3 parts: initiation, propagation and termination. This is the A bond B, heat or light. That time bond is break and give the free radical A plus B free radical. Propagation, this A free radical connected with C D and give the AC and D free radical, and this D free radical again EF compounds and give the DE and give the free radical of F, and termination F plus G give the Fg component. This is the initiation reaction. ClCl, so 2 radical of Cl. This propagation, this free radical of Cl connected with CH4 and give the HCl plus free radical of CH3. This CH3 free radical connected with Cl2. This is give the new compound CH3Cl plus free radical of Cl. And now termination, these Cl free radical react with free radical of CH3, CH3Cl and CH3CH3 free radical converted into alkane CH3CH3. This is the nitration process. Alkanes undergo nitration reaction at high temperature with the replacement of H atom by nitro group is called nitration. Possible with concentrate in the presence of concentrate HNO3. RH plus HNO3 400 to 500 degrees Celsius temperature is applied and give this alkane converted into nitroalkane, and one hydrogen is removed or replaced and converted into water molecule. And this is the second example, CH4. HNO3 400 to 500 degrees Celsius temperature is applied. So it is CH3 converted into nitromethane and H is connected with water molecule. Now sulfonation. Sulfonic group is added. It is the replacement of H atom of alkanes by SO3H group. Sulfonation of alkanes occurs with fuming sulfuric acid at moderate temperature. So this is the propane 3 carbon atom and connected with H2SO4. So it give the propane sulfonic acid and plus 1 molecules of water. So this alkane converted into propane sulfonic acid. Now this is the cracking. Alkane is cracking and give the alkene or hydrogen. This is the example of ethane, heat and steam. This cracking reaction, ethane converted into ethylene, C double bond C plus hydrogen molecules is removed. This is the another example, decane. Decane means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Numbers of carbon are 10. This is the decane. This decane give the heat energy and cracking. It is converted into double bond propene and heptane. So this is the cracking reaction. Now this is the cracking. Alkanes are converted or cracking, that times one alkane or alkene compounds are give the product. Oxidation heating reaction, it is called combustion. CnH twice N plus 2 alkane react with O2 in the presence of flame, converted into NCO2 plus N plus 1 H2O plus heat. That time CH4 plus 3O2 in the reaction in the presence of flame and converted into twice CO plus 4H2O, and CH4 plus O2 react with flame and give the converted into carbon plus twice H2O. And this is the last reaction, rearrangement. Normal butane react with AlCl3, HCl is removed. This reaction 25 degrees Celsius temperature is applied, small time heat, and give this normal butane converted into isobutane. So this is the reaction, normal butane converted into isobutane, rearrangement process.